Hey guys, it's Will Rich with StockMate, and some of you guys know that we started StockMate back in 2019. Now, what's interesting is when I started the company, it was for traders and investors and people investing in stocks and crypto, and mostly on the tech stock side of things, a little bit of real estate. But the whole goal was to really educate people and get people into a community where they can all trade and invest together. Now, the thing that changed was around 2020, I started doing content and started becoming really interested in trying to build more of a career out of music. And so at that time, I had just it was just after I had sold a song to a company called Invisalign, where I made a song for them and I got to go out to San Francisco. I got to meet the CEO of the company at the time, and I got to sell the song to them for 5 figures. And I really was interested in building out my career in music. And then I met my wife, who is a singer. She's got hundreds of thousands of listeners and followers. And at that time, she and I started making music together. And I was in the music industry for a couple years. And during that time, I continued to learn investing. I continued to go to the stock market at every single market open, continued to really grow my portfolio and invest in companies like Nvidia, Tesla, started investing in TSMC pretty early on. And some of the companies that I started to invest in during that time have really grown significantly. And I remember it was just this past October in 2024 when I was pretty deep in the music industry. We were at this label event. We'd grown some pages to over 3 million followers across social media in the Latin music industry. And at that time, we're saying, hey, this is really nice. It's good, but I'm every day at market open. I'm looking at the markets. I'm growing my portfolio, and I'm really enjoying doing it. And I remember I started StockMate back in 2019. We had these different logos, and we started in October. We've been going for really just about 2 months here. And since I made that decision, the YouTube has grown about 8,000 subscribers. You guys have come from every which direction, educating me as well as tuning into some of the valuable resources and how we approach investing in some of the cutting edge markets like quantum computing or space tech, or the things that are driving the human race into the future of AI, and what companies are not just the companies that everybody knows about, but the little companies that power those companies, and really going into the nitty gritty of that. And in that, we've met a lot of great people here on the channel, and I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for all the support. And in that, we started StockMate Apparel again. And so now we've launched StockMate Apparel for this new year, and I'm very excited. You guys could see, I believe it should look good. You can see the StockMate logo on the back there. Kind of why we created StockMate Apparel. It's a collection built for visionaries, leaders, and investors, some entrepreneurs as well, who see the future before anyone else does. And so every single piece of StockMate clothing comes and it's meticulously crafted in this recycled material, and it's from premium vendors. And we also share our commitment to sustainability. So from the recycled fabrics to the cutting edge design, we've redefined what it means to kind of feel confident and comfortable without any compromise. See that logo on the back? That's pretty beautiful. But again, guys, StockMate Apparel, it's not just about comfort, guys. It's not just style either. It's actually a movement, and it's just a reminder that this shape right here is in growth and in your future. So right now, I'm giving you the opportunity to join that movement. So for a limited time, every purchase of StockMate, when you enroll to watch me trade live each day or join our community, you get this free M Growth tee, absolutely free. This t-shirt, it's a symbol of growth in your mindset, in your investments, and in your future. So this is your moment, guys. This right here, if you head to StockMate, get StockMateHQ.com/join, or the first link in the description, you can see an experience wearing this ambitious t-shirt. And then if you want to invest in comfort, you just want to check out some of the new apparel that's coming out. This is kind of a sleek new look. We got some other stuff that's exclusively coming out here into the next month. And if you want to check it out, you can also head over to the StockMate Apparel website. You get this t-shirt. You can see we got it here, and we got this new design on the StockMate Apparel t-shirt design here, you can see, and StockMate's Apparel website. So if you'd like to check it out, it's that second link down below. Simply take a look if you're looking just to get the t-shirt. If you want the t-shirt for free, you can head over to, it is www.getstockmate.com/join. Come here, check it out, invest in the best of the best quantum AI, tech, and space stocks, and tap into consistent growth in 2025. And if you go down here, you can see what we get. There's a to Z remote investing blueprints. Every time you want to learn how to invest in stocks, anything stocks, whether it's the technicals, the fundamentals, the financials, StockMate makes that easy. So anytime you want to do that, you could go into StockMate, have those lessons available for you in the A to Z, and it's accessible on mobile or on desktop. And then we got daily live trading. So anytime you want to not just take that, learn that knowledge, but apply that knowledge in real time and feel good and confident about some of your decisions, you can access our daily live trading where we go live in the stock market here. As you can see, we got this, we actually traded live this morning in some of the markets, and we're up about 11.48% so far on the portfolio today, which is awesome. But on top of that, you get 8 hours of stuff. If you want to go in, you want to go deep, there's a bunch of lessons. There is the SMA, the RSI. And to be honest, if you want to learn these things, a lot of them you can learn on YouTube, and all power to you. But if you want to watch me trade live, you want to get it all in one place, get our Profitable Trader ebook here. It's about 47 pages of pure mindset, and also coming into your trades, ordinary thinking versus most profitable thinking, and also building a trading plan. And so that's here in StockMate. You got the StockMate community. There's a private messaging group. We also have the most valued stocks that people aren't talking about, that maybe you haven't heard about, and we are jumping on them early and giving complete breakdowns of them. We also got a $500 in free stock referrals fast lessons in there, and also a bonus is that hidden market psychology and materials. And right now there's a New Year's sale. Go check it out. It's that second or the first link down below, and then you can see for yourself what's included. And a lot of people, they say that they like learning the basics, or they like collaborating with a lot of individuals. And there's a lot of different reasons. Some people like the live session. Some people don't tune in the live session. Some people just like the community where they can talk. Whatever it is, go discover it for yourself, what it is that you'll like most. We got quarterly. And then we also have a limited time offer here that you should check out. If you don't want to pay quarterly, or you're not for subscriptions, you could check that out as well. We got some StockMates in there that are crushing it, so make sure to check out some of those. There's a look at SPY versus their all-time. They actually are beating the market there. You could tell on the all-time. That's awesome. And yeah, this New Year special is ending soon, so make sure to check it out. We just got this sweet new deal with the apparel included in there. So if you want to take advantage of it, it's that first link down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all. I'm really excited about this new launch. Hopefully you guys are excited as I am, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.